Here's the 04 GTO, running like a dream. This car only has 24,990 miles. Doesn't get any closer to 25K than that. Very low mileage car. Super nice shape. Nice paint job. This is a 2004 with the 350 horsepower motor. It is yellow with black stripes. Looks very nice. Although right there, you see, it's about the only thing wrong with it, really. See the decals right there? There should be new decals put on there. See right there. Other than that, though, the spoiler one you can get away with, but those should be reapplied. Clean machine.